minutes. We're gonna try this again. And hopefully, we'll be around actually a group of people, guys, instead of just everyone leaving me, okay? Last time everyone left me. This time, hopefully, we'll be a way more group of people. No, we gotta go get a W out here. Hey, yo, why can't leave for a W? So let's go see if we can find. Okay, I'm just gonna skip the rest. I'm gonna skip the part that we back on, guys. You know, y'all guys don't even watch that part. I'm gonna go to the part where we on, guys. So, see you guys. So yeah, we are close to the part where we back going, guys. So we already know what happened, guys. So we're gonna get to running, guys. We are not dying today. We are not dying. We must get out of it with a deal. So we're gonna go again. It won't go on top of this. So I'm gonna hop on top of this also. Where were people playing? One more than two. Are you saying that I am? Oh yeah, the floor. Yeah, that's oh yeah. All right, now it's 9:08. Now I mean, this is 8 o'clock. So the fire's gone. What is happening? Yeah, we need. Oh wait, no. All right, we gotta do root first. What is he doing? I got the phone. Much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the park. There's a power. Just give me. I try to. Yeah. The monster's still lurking around. Okay. The monsters are still lurking around. Still monsters. This is really good. Yep, we're gone. Freak down, gone. I'm gone. Yeah, yes, no idea. Go to unlock it now. Okay, let me see if this is yeah, wrong. But it smells like this. Leah, open the door. The door's unlocked. Of course, it's getting closer. Open. Alright, we escaped, guys. We escaped. That was really so scary, guys. What's wrong with the president? Great. Everyone is here. This prison Kelly, I think we need to stop this right now. What's going on? What's all that monster again? Did he follow us here? I am not sure. I did it hard. Well, how did these monsters keep on making us come here? I knew there was something wrong here. But the good news is I'm not just a predator. Now also a secret agent. Okay. He wants you to be a human, okay? But he had no friends. Oh no. And as a matter of fact, no one even liked him. And there was some plans he was also he liked to read news about planes crashes. Oh wait. He liked to read news about plane crashes. That means he's trying to start a plane crash. Just to make plane crashes himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day it was about to. His spirit had him. People, you guys, he blamed you for his death. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he could take any shape. Okay, he could be anything, or even the. Not sure yet. Take this gun. Oh yeah, give me that gun. Give me that gun. Give me the gun. Thank you. Me. No. No. Leah. Really? You should let dudes do it, you know? We got more brands and brands. Wait, who's he calling a baby? I'm confused. I am not her baby here. Here you are. Donald! Ronald! 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 Damn! The president. The red boy. The red boy. Shoot him! Him! Oh, bro. Oh, he shot. Please shot the red boy. Please shot the red boy. Ah! Just the monster. Oh. I was confused. How? Wait, how was he the monster? But he was on it trying to take advantage of this trip. I'm confused. What? Wait, who? Who's he talking? Who's he talking to? Who is he talking to? I'm confused. At least he's finally gone. Finally gone. Oh, wait. He's gone, guys. We did it. Yes, sir. Let's give it to us. Give it to Leah. I don't know who she thinks is her babe. I'm not her babe, but give it to her, Leah. Guys, Leah, help us out, guys. We have finished this, guys, and I think not by hour. We finished this in what? Wait, 8 minutes. I guess we played 3, 2. I mean, been 8 minutes. Like that's crazy. So we did 2. Let's go and do 3. I'm gonna end off with 3 here. I think 3 is a. We are now in the military. When 3, I don't ask me how I know this. I think I played this game before. When I wasn't even a YouTuber, I was just playing this. All right, guys. My friend, I'm ready for her. Everybody 3 is coming out. Coming out. I'm making another film. Everybody 3. So yeah, guys. Everybody 3. Welcome to every 3. Welcome to the airport. I ain't gonna read that. I'm just gonna read it, guys. See you guys later in the next episode, guys. I really want to watch YouTube. Sorry, guys. I want to watch my own videos. I will have the other